In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fade in and fade out text in Shotcut. So my name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. Now the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and add text on your video track, and to do that you need its separate timeline. So to create a timeline and add our text, go to this option called Open Other and then click on Text. And from here we can go ahead and enter our text. And that is my text studying. And then I want to select Rich so that I can have more control of this text. And from here, I'll go ahead and tap on Add to Timeline. So this will go ahead and create a new timeline and then add our text. Now, you can go ahead and maybe increase the font size of your text to a level that you wish. And then you can also move this text to wherever you want on this video. So I'll leave it at that. And then I'll go ahead and move it maybe here at the center, and that is great. If you want to change the text color, you can as well do that. However, I'm interested in adding fade in and fade out. So if you're comfortable for this text to be here, you can leave it at that. Otherwise, you can also move it at any part or at any location on your timeline. So depending on where you want this text to appear, just go ahead and move it. So to add fade in on this text, if we go ahead and play this, you can see our text is here. However, it is so much casual, it doesn't transition well. So to add the transition, go ahead and click on the text timeline and then hover over the corner here and you will see a bubble. So from this bubble, go ahead and click on it and then drag it inside, and you can see we have a shadow being added. So that is the fade in. So move it to a level you feel you're comfortable. And now if we go ahead and play, now look at that. Great. It doesn't just appear, but it appears in a transition. Look at that. Great. And look at how it ends. It doesn't end well. It just disappears abruptly. To make sure that it also disappears in a transition manner, we can also go ahead and add a fade out transition by doing the same. I'll go ahead and click on this bubble and then move it in. So I'll do this to a level I feel I'm comfortable. Now let's go ahead and play again and see how that transitions in. Now look at that and look at how it disappears. It fades out in a smooth transition. So that's how you add fade in and fade out text in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.